JAX Fence Depot is Jacksonville, Florida's #1 source for quality residential and commercial fence repair. Our experienced uniformed technicians will promptly respond, diagnose, and repair your family's or business's fence or gates. We understand fencing is your first line of protection against crime and maintains the safety of your property, children, and pets. Don't hesitate. Call us today or come visit our showroom. JAX Fence Depot, where every quote is free, every expert is ready to help, and always remember, good fences make good neighbors at JAX Fence Depot.